I just found a TikTok channel that completely blew my mind. And I'm not exaggerating. The reason I'm calling it mind-blowing is simple. The numbers are insane. Every single video is getting thousands of views, and some are even hitting millions. But here's the crazy part. When you actually watch these videos, you realize something shocking. They are all created using AI. No camera, no actors, no expensive setup, just smart use of AI tools. And yes, most of these videos are made using completely free AI tools. Now you might be thinking, okay, but creating something like this must be complicated, right? Wrong.
I'm not gonna goon today. I'm gonna get revenge on that fat bitch Pepper.
In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create the exact same type of videos. We're talking about consistent characters, smooth animation, and cinematic storytelling, all without spending a single dollar. No watermark, no advanced skills required, just simple tools and the right method. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create viral AI videos that can get views, grow your channel, and even start generating income. So make sure you watch till the end, because this might be the opportunity you've been looking for. Now let's open ChatGPT and paste the prompt that I've given you in the description below. This is a truly powerful and well-structured prompt. Just copy it, paste it into ChatGPT, and within seconds you'll see how amazing the results are. ChatGPT will instantly generate high-quality content related to this topic. Yes, it's really that simple. Every output looks exactly the way we want. Professional, clean, and ready to use. You just need to make a few small edits, adjust some lines, and maybe add a little more detail according to your style or niche. The best part? You don't need any advanced skills. The prompt is already optimized for you. Just use it properly and you'll save hours of work. So don't overthink it. Copy the prompt, paste it, and let ChatGPT do the heavy work for you. Let's move to the next step and make this even more powerful. So guys, let's move on to a free unlimited AI images tool. Simple. Copy your prompt from ChatGPT, then go to Flow AI. Yes, it's a paid website, but don't worry, I've got you. Go to the image section and you'll see two tools, Nano Banana Pro and Nano Banana 2. And guess what? 0 credits. Yes, completely free. I'm serious. You can check it yourself. So until it's free, why not take full advantage? There is no limit. You can copy-paste multiple prompts again and again, and it will keep generating without stopping. And the quality? Not just HD, this is 2K quality, super realistic, clean images. I tested it myself. I gave multiple prompts, and it generated exactly according to the prompt. From empty land to full construction scenes, everything was perfect. So why waste money on paid tools? Until you're earning big, we'll use free tools like this. No cost, no charges. Just log in and start generating. Now let's move to the main part, how to generate videos and images step by step. So stay with me. Now let's move to the website called Videoinu. Why am I using this website? And yes, I already know what some of you are thinking. Isn't this paid? Yes, it is. But here's the interesting part. When you simply sign up using your Gmail, you instantly get 500 free credits. Now the real question is, how do we use these credits smartly? Because if you waste them, you're done in minutes. So listen carefully. Go to the AI video section, you'll see multiple models available. But most of them consume a huge number of credits, and that's not what we want. We only have 500 credits, so we need to play smart. Use the model WAN 2.6. It only takes around 170 credits for a 5-second video. And the best part? You get full 1080p quality. Yes, full HD cinematic output. Now here's the strategy. Upload your image, paste your prompt, and click generate. It usually takes around a minute. But don't just sit and wait. That's where most people lose time. While your first video is generating, immediately upload another image, paste the same prompt, and generate again. Do this 2 or even 3 times back to back, and boom, within 1 to 2 minutes, you'll have multiple videos ready. This is called batching, and this is where speed comes in. Now check the results carefully. You'll notice something powerful. The videos look natural, smooth, and cinematic.
Something felt wrong, and no one understood why.
The lighting feels real, the motion is clean, and most importantly, the character consistency is on point. This is exactly what viral content needs.
It was just a small mistake, but it changed everything.
Now comes the most important question. How do we get more credits? Because once you understand this, you unlock the system. Simple, log out. Then use a temporary email, sign up again, verify the code, and boom, another 500 credits. Repeat the same process again and again. Upload images, paste prompts, generate videos, download results. You can literally create multiple videos in a very short time without spending money. Now imagine this. If you create 5 to 10 videos daily using this method, and even one of them goes viral, your entire game changes. Views grow, audience builds, and eventually, income follows. So honestly, why are you still overthinking? Everything is already set up for you. You don't need expensive tools. You don't need a team. You don't even need advanced skills. You just need consistency and this exact method. So start now. Create more. Test more. And let the algorithm do its job. Because this is not just content creation. This is a complete AI-powered system for growth. Now, once all your videos are generated, this is where the final magic happens. Open CapCut. Import all your clips and place them on the timeline. Now arrange them properly. Decide which videos should come first, second, and so on. Keep the flow smooth and logical so the story makes sense. Don't overcomplicate things. Use minimal effects. Just a few clean transitions between clips are enough. You don't need heavy editing. Simple always works better for viral content. Focus more on timing. Cut unnecessary parts. Keep everything fast, engaging, and straight to the point. Now the most important part, captions. Add captions to your video, but not just normal captions. Use bold, clear, eye-catching text so viewers can easily read and stay hooked. Highlight keywords. Make them pop. This increases retention a lot. You can also slightly zoom in on important moments or expressions to make the video feel more dynamic. And before you upload, watch the full video one more time carefully. If anything feels off, slow, or unnecessary, fix it. Even small improvements can make a big difference. Once everything looks perfect, export your video in high quality and upload it. That's it. Your AI video is ready. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate your time. Now it's your turn. Go create, stay consistent, and let your content do the talking.
Understood why.
Dad couldn't believe what he saw. But life had other plans.
Sometimes, strangers teach us the most.
Flings finally came out, all at once.